Welcome to Chapter 5, Natural Resources. Natural resources are materials from the earth that are used to support life and meet people's needs. Any natural substance that human use can be considered as a natural resources. Oil, coal, natural gas, metals, stone and sand are natural resources. And other natural resources are air, sunlight, soil, water, plants and animals, etc. See, which occur naturally on earth are called resources. So these resources are necessary for all living organism, including man. So these are the most valuable things in the process of mankind. So there are two types of resources: renewable resources, non-renewable resources. First, renewable resources. The resources which are continuously available over the period of human lifetime is called renewable resources. For example, solar energy, air, water, soil and forest. Non-renewable resources. Resources like coal, petrol, diesel and natural gases will run out due to their continuous usage. Such resources cannot be renewed. Hence, these resources are called as a non-renewable resources. Now let us know about solar energy. See, solar energy is the energy obtained from the sun. The sun is the main source of heat and light to the earth. We get light and heat from the sun, and plants prepare their food using this solar energy. Soil. Soil is a mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquids and organisms that together support life. So soil also an renewable resource like water. And soil is necessary for the growth of plants.